Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate login and navigation basics on Moodle. So here's your Moodle login page. Everyone should have received a username and password. So what you do is get your username and password and enter it here and then click on login. For lecturers, you should receive authentication code that you're supposed to enter here first. For students, you don't have this second step, so you log straight in, and once you're logged in like this, first thing you need to do is click on My Courses. When you click on My Courses, all the courses that you are currently enrolled in will appear in the center like this. So to access your course, click on the course code and course title. The other way is to click inside the search box like what I'm doing right now and enter the course code and hit enter. Once you've done that, click on your course and that'll take you straight to your Moodle course page like this. So what we're looking at right now is EDEN 301 Library and Literature. So you notice that on the left hand side is a course index. In the center pane is your course content, and on the right hand side is your block drawer. So how do you navigate on your course page? On the left hand side, like I mentioned just now, click on your course index and collapse all the content like that. When you collapse all the content, it will make navigation much more easier for you. So we're in week 8 now. If you want to access the course content for week 8, click on week 8 content from here. In this section, you will notice that the title of the section will be at the top like this, Week 8 Fiction and Non-Fiction in the Classroom, for example, followed by a description of the course content for that week. And underneath, you should find your course content. Now, if you're taking a 15 credit point unit like English, you should have 2 lectures and 2 tutorials in 1 week. So the course content should be set out accordingly. So here you see lecture and tutorial 1 content up here and lecture and tutorial content down there. Lecture 1 followed by tutorial as per the timetable, and any other activity that your lecturer decides to assign for you will be here. So usually the items that you see on the page are in order, so you just follow the order. Go through your lecture first, for example, followed by your tutorial according to the timetable, and then the activity that your lecturer has set for you. Alright, that's that. Now, how do you navigate back to the course page where everything is located? I mean, all the content. You need to scroll back up to the top, and when you see the title of your course, you click on it like what I'm doing right now, and that takes you back to the main course page where all the content is located. Okay, on the right hand side we see a block drawer here, and in the block drawer there might be some important links or information that your unit coordinator has placed. Okay, so here you see the unit lecturer, for example. Some of you don't even know your lecturer's email addresses. Check it out from here. Latest announcement. Okay, let me explain something about the latest announcements. Latest announcements are those notices or messages that your lecturer puts here in the unit coordinator's announcements. So you will see the same announcement in here, and you will also get the same notice in your email. If you scroll further down, you will see online users, followed by other important links such as the national curriculum and syllabi, teacher's guides, etc., and ProQuest. ProQuest link is here. So students looking for reference materials to put in their assignments Please don't go to places like Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a great place for you to start your research or to get information, but it's not a good academic source to include in your assignment. So please click on this ProQuest link to help you with your APA referencing in your assignments. Okay, now let's move on. If you would like to edit your profile, you can see your face in the top right-hand corner. That's where your profile is located. So you can click on that to edit your profile. Your grades are also here. So you can click on this as calendar and other options in the drop-down menu. For students, because your role on the system is just a student, you cannot damage or delete any important tool or activity or resource on Moodle. So don't feel scared. You are free to click on everything just to get yourself familiarized with the system. How do you log out? So once you're done on Moodle and you'd like to log out, just click again on your profile from here and log out from here. Thanks for watching.